Here's a puzzle for you. Which toys and games were popular in the early 1900s? A good start might be to look at old postcards, the Victorian equivalent of social media. Of course, you've got classic games like chess or drafts that are well represented, and that perennial favourite, the doll. And don't forget toy soldiers, so that when boys grow up, they become loyal soldiers. And here's a sequential set featuring a girl playing with model boats. All the nice girls love a sailor. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. I didn't realise that origami was that popular in the West at the turn of the 20th century. I'm guessing that Diablo was an even bigger craze though, judging by the numerous cards featuring it, as well as postcards reflecting fashionable 19th-20th century recreations. They too could be used as playing cards. I've seen domino ones. Anyone for an improvised version of Scrabble? You could even use them as a makeshift dice. But what's to stop you from inventing a whole new pastime, such as unintentional postcard animation? I've also done a video on mechanical postcards, which could conceivably be classified as toys in themselves, and lots of other videos for you to click on after you've hopefully rated and commented on this one.